Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have this hospital and healthcare part-time account manager / customer support specialist. It is remote. It pays $30 an hour. And it starts in June of 2022 and it ends in June of 2023, so for a full year. Your classification will be a contract 1099 and it's only 10 hours a week. So the description is a fast-growing virtual healthcare delivery platform is looking for a part-time accountant manager customer specialist to help our new and existing customers to fully enjoy the benefits of our software solution. The ideal candidate has a minimum of 5 years experience working as a customer support onboarding specialist or account manager for software products used by clinical teams within medical practices or hospitals. We're looking for an experienced team member to onboard new users who are doctors, nurses, MAs, etc., to train them how to use our platform and guide them towards growing utilization of our product faster. As part of a small team, you will have the opportunity to influence and craft the company's processes, unleash your creativity, and get involved in other areas such as marketing and product planning. We are proud to have a 100% customer satisfaction rating and a very low customer churn. That means that in this role, you should expect a minimum tech support duty and mostly new customers onboarding, training on new features, and customer feedback collection focus. This is a fully remote part-time role starting at approximately 10 hours a week, but more hours will be available if interested in the near future. All interactions with our customers are virtual and hence the role is ideal for someone who likes to work from home or our offices in Philadelphia. You will be using Zoom, text messaging, and phone. The team is based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and our local candidate will be preferred but not essential. This position is a 1099 independent contractor position that ranges is $30 to $40 per hour based upon experience. And as the company grows, this could be a full-time role with a bigger responsibility scope and full employment benefits. So if this sounds like you, I'll put the link right below in the description so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have every single day 5 to 7 job leads, remote, work from home jobs just for you, and you don't want to miss out. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.